Welcome to Safety Week, hosted by the Department of Housing and Residence Life. Throughout the week, we'll be sharing some safety tips for you and keeping yourself and your peers safe. The first thing we wanted to share was how to put in a maintenance request, because when you have concerns with your room, those are safety issues, and we want to make sure to address those as quickly as we can. In order to put in a maintenance request, you're going to go to unf.edu/housing. When you're here, you want to go to My Housing. On the far left, you'll see Maintenance Request. On here, you'll see non-emergency and emergency examples of maintenance requests. Do not use the online form for an emergency maintenance request. If you have an emergency, please call the number listed here, 904-620-5000. If you do have a maintenance request, you're going to go ahead and click Submit Maintenance Request. If you've never done this before, you can go over here to How to Submit a Maintenance Request or Work Order. In each of these areas, it will tell you how exactly to go about setting up your maintenance request system within SchoolDude, which is our platform. And that's really it. If you ever have any questions or concerns, please go ahead and stop by 14B and we can help you out with navigating the system. Thanks, and share with us how you have kept yourself safe by using the hashtag SwoopSafely throughout the week.